We know that you like making fine choices that give you more than the ordinary. Then why not extend it to your health? You deserve a health insurance plan that is more than just insurance. Which is why we have ensured that your health insurance becomes your perfect health partner, giving you comprehensive health cover, health benefits, access to expert health coaches, chronic management program and international cover for major illnesses. करो अच्छी सेहत का इरादा, चुनो इंश्योरेंस जो दे ज़्यादा। अभी करो यानी आदित्य बिरला हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस करो। Introducing Activ Health Platinum Premier Plan, your health insurance partner that keeps pace with your busy life and takes care of your health needs wherever you go, giving you complete health protection and assistance not just in India but in any part of the world. The Activ Health Platinum Premier Plan gives you a wide range of health benefits along with your insurance to keep you healthy. Now, even if you travel out of the country, you can get access to cutting-edge medical facilities all over the world with cashless treatment for major illnesses. Avail cover for modern treatments like robotic surgeries, oral chemotherapy and more in India. Stay assured about your finances with 100% unlimited reload of your sum insured and enjoy cashless home treatment for specific illnesses. Consultation for mental illness and for listed dental services is also covered under the Activ Health Platinum Premier Plan. You can now stay healthy and earn up to 100% of health insurance premium as health returns and use them to pay for medicines, diagnostic tests, or the next policy premium. If you have a chronic condition or develop any during the policy period, you get covered from day one and guidance from experts to manage and improve your health under this chronic management program. What more? Get access to expert health coaches who can advise you about your health anytime you can. Also avail additional and value-added benefits where you can earn 50% no claim bonus for every claim 3 years up to a maximum of 100% of sum insured. You can also take a health assessment from day one to be on top of your health and get covers for personal accident and critical illnesses. Make a fine choice for you and your family's health that gives you more than the ordinary anywhere in the world. करो अच्छी सेहत का इरादा, चुनो इंश्योरेंस जो दे ज़्यादा। एक्टिव हेल्थ प्लैटिनम प्रीमियर प्लान से अभी करो यानी आदित्य बिरला हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस करो।